Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning out my dispenser drawer. So the dispenser drawer, as you can see, it's become very dirty and I'm going to clean it today. This is where the softener conditioner goes in. To remove the dispenser drawer away from the wash machine, what you need to do is press down on this blue bit here and slide the dispenser drawer out like so. Just move the tripod out the way for that to come out completely. There we go. And I'm going to take that to the sink to wash. Okay, you can remove this grey bit here away from the rest of the dispenser. So how to do that? I mean, it really has clogged up there, hasn't it? I mean, look at that. Yeah, it is recommended to wash the dispenser drawer on a regular basis, maybe once or once every 2 weeks, depending how much you use the the wash machine, that is. Yeah, I've left it quite a long time. Anyway, you can remove this blue bit here where the softener conditioner goes in. So to remove that, you just pull it away like so. And yes, you can remove the grey bit as well. But then, oh, you need to do is press on those 2 grey bits here and slide down to remove. Okay, I'm just going to get a toothbrush to scrub and clean away the soap, the grime. I'm going to use this elbow grease to remove any grime around the dispenser drawer area. Just spray a bit like that. And then taking a cloth, I'm going to just wipe away.
Going along inside with a tissue, remove any soap residue, and that's it. Okay, and we're going to put the dispenser drawer back in there.
And to pop back in, you do need to press the blue bit at the top here and then slide in, and that's it. Good job. So this has been How To Not To, showing you how to clean the dispenser drawer, how to remove it and all the bits and pieces. If you found it useful, then give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be coming out shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.